So hello everyone, my name is Sheetal and today I have come back with a new topic because this topic is going to be very important. The topic name is how to we can improve our speaking English. Yes, you heard me right, because whenever I want to speak English we don't know how to speak English. We are lagging behind in this topic. We don't know how to speak and how to improve because everyone want to learn English but nobody is able to speak English. But we have to do this, we have to figure out it, but how we can improve our speaking English, because speaking English is pivotal role while in your future. So we will have to improve this, we will have to improve our speaking English, but how? That is my question to all. So this video is very useful for us, so watch till the end, okay? So first of all, let's talk where we are doing mistake and what we are doing not well, so we are not able to speak. So let me tell you something, that we all are putting our all efforts but not well. So we have to put our all efforts while good efforts. We have to put all efforts, like think we have to make our plan, like daily routine, what we have to do and at what time, and we have to just describe, like in this time I will speak in English, and then I will write down, I will reading, I will listening, every portion we have to give time. Yes, that is main requirement, because lots of learner what they are doing mistake, they wants to speak English but they are not distributing all the methods. Anybody is not listening, anybody is not reading, and but they want to speak. They are some people are like that, they are only listening but not speaking. So that is the big thing, okay? So first of all, let's talk about every pillars, okay? So you all know what you have to do while learning English. So let's talk about the first of all writing. Okay, you know what? What's the importance of writing and why we are writing? Why everyone says while speaking English, you will have to write in English, like every day you will have to write in your daily routine. Why? Because when we listen about everything in your whole day about in English, and when we write, okay, then our mind became sharp in English. Our mind learn the process and learn the vocabulary, which vocabulary is coming here, and what I'm doing all the days. So that is the important. We have to everyday watch our copy and our pen, we have to just write down. Don't worry if you are writing wrong, then don't worry, we will have to write down every day. Every day we will have to write like 10 sentences and a 15 sentences we can write down. And then the next thing, what is this is reading. I know whenever we want to speak in English, reading is also very common role in English. Yes, what we have to do, we have to read every day. Yes, we have to read every day. I know whenever everybody is like I want to read but they feel sleepy, dizzy, I don't want to read, but we have to understand, because this is the important for us. We will improve ourselves, we can improve ourselves while reading. So please read every day, and the which vocabulary you don't know, you can write down it, and your English will be next level. Yes. And after the reading you can take a break and you can take some rest, and then what we have to do, you all know you will have to listening. Yes, listening is also very important. And you can shadow, because listening we all are doing listening, but we will not shadowing. That's why our pronunciation is not good. If we will do only 10 minutes just a shadowing, we can improve our English a lot, and we can speak look like a pro, we can speak look like actors. Yes, that is the truth. Because when we listen and we will shadowing, then we improve our speaking English and sharp our mind and sharp our tongue. So everything will become very important. So every steps we have to follow. Yes. Well, everyone says what will I learn, so you will have to understand what's our stage and how much which type English I can understand. Like you can listen broadcast movies if you are interested in movies. And if I talk about my case, so I would love to watch cartoon, yes, because these are very simple, and whenever I start cartoon videos I don't feel sleepy, I feel entertaining, and I learn every day. And they speak very simple language, so I don't want to put my all efforts, so that is very easy thing for me. I can watch cartoon hours and hours. Okay, I learned lot of things from cartoons. If you will feel laugh at me, so you can also watch this. You know what, when I started before listening, then I didn't understand anything. But I continued listening, then I English comes in my mind, I became something, I understanding the patterns, how the pattern. That's why I'm telling to you, you will have to also do the same like me. It will be very important for you. That's all. It's very easy to learn English. You can speak English, so believe me, you will have to speak. Okay, so you don't need to nervous, you don't need to feel I don't want to do this. What if I did mistake? Don't worry about it. Okay, I will tell you about how I start speaking, how you will have to speaking. So let's talk about the speaking portion, because we want to speak English. That is the main and important topic for us. Okay, so I had this kind of things. Lots of people are doing listening and everything, but they afraid of speaking, they don't want to speak. So we are want to speak in English, so speaking is also very important. We will have to continue this, we will have to say to in your mind, I will speak. If I will speak in simple sentences, so that's okay, don't, no problem. We will have to start in simple sentences and we have to continue, we will have to speak a daily. And we if we will wake up early in the morning, so start our day in English. We will have to say, I am waking up and I am going to the washroom and I am going to take a bath, I am going to do exercise. Like the sentences you can speak, so you will have to do. And speaking, don't afraid, don't forget about it, because when we don't speak, so we will not learn, because our motto is speaking. So we will have to become brave, because when we speak lot of times, so we will become natural speaker and a fluent speaker, and we will get to know lot of things, and we will become a future fluent English speaker. So congrats, you will become a fluent in English speaker if you will follow all the tips. So that's all I want to say to you. I know you will watching my videos. I want to speak. I want to share to you everything. Thanks for watching. And if you watch my video, if you like my video, you can appreciate me by like and subscribe. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.